Good day everyone! So for today's video, we are going to install the Windows Server 2008 here in our virtual machine. Okay, so click create a new machine or new virtual machine, choose typical. Next, before, ito yung um, naka naka-choose, and then so click install this image file, find your ISO or yung CD nyo, CD niyo yung installer natin ng Windows Server. So browse lang, and then find this image file, yung ISO natin. So click, and then as you can see, CD-ROM images siya. So that ISO, ito siya nun. Then open. Ayan siya, and then detected, sabi niya. Click next, and then choose the name of your Windows or your station. So let's say for example, MacJane, and then click next. If this pops out, just click yes. Okay, virtual machine name, I will name this as the W8 server. Then next, make it the maximum disk size, to 30 gig, and then choose store virtual disk as a single file. Then click next. Here, choose customize hardware. Then as you can see there, I will make it as 2 gig. As you can see, 2,488 MB. And then sa processors, we'll make it as 2, and then so that the total is 4 processors. Then for our USB controller present, check the show all USB input devices. Check this, and then close. After that, finish. So it may take some time, so wait for it to create the disk. Let's wait for it. Okay, there you go. As you can see, the VMware starting up, and the Windows Server will start. So let's make it as full screen. Okay, for this Windows setup, select the operating system you want to install. So let's choose Windows Server 2008 R2 Standard. So that is the default. So click next. So this one, installing Windows, this also make some time, especially on this second part and the last part. Okay, so you can do whatever you want. Wait for it. So let's wait for it. You can have your meal, your snacks while waiting. So as you can see, your virtual machine will automatically restart many times. Just like on how you install an operating system on your devices or on your desktop or on your laptop. It's just the same. So now it is restarting. Okay, let's wait for our server to open. So as you can see, setup is preparing your computer for first use. Let's see what will be the user interface. So let's just wait with this one. You don't need to click anything or type anything here. Just wait for this one to finish. Okay, now click begin install. So another one, let's just wait for this to finish. So welcome to Windows Server 2008. Okay, just cancel this one. Wait for it to load the user interface of the server. Okay, just exit this one. Where's my mouse again? Just close this one. And there you have it. Our server 2008. And then you can, it's just like our typical OS. That's it for today. Bye.